Hi, it's me, Sai, the DIY guy, and today is day 21 of the bathroom renovation.
So what we did was we filled the curb in with thin set. The outside is slightly, maybe it's going to be 1/8 of an inch taller than the inside. That way when you put the cap on, it'll pitch in slightly. So any water that hits it, it'll roll back in.
Today is day 22 of the bathroom renovation.
So we're moving along with the towel, pressing on.
Day 23.
So we just put the new window in. We framed all around and we red guarded it. I'm gonna really pour the red guard on really heavy on this ledge because there's gonna be a lot of water service coming in from the showers right here. So we really want this very watertight, okay?
Day 24. Day 25.
Okay, so we hung the windowsill today. We cut the edges out. I wanted it as tight a fit as I can get because this is going to receive a lot of water service. Okay, now the bottom part of it, you hang it just like a towel, back butter it, and just put it up there. But I got this screw right here. This screw holding it in because of the weight of it. I got this ledge pitched in just a little bit. Can you see the bubble? It's not level. You don't want it level. You don't want it level because you want the water to hit it and run back in. So she's pitched just a little bit in. Okay, so we got that window sill up today, and we're just continuing to lay the tile.
Day 26, 27, 28. Day 29.
To tile around the piping, measure both sides of the pipe. And how deep you want it to go. And you just connect the dots. Since it's not critically important because this tile will be hidden, I just freehand it and you just cut it out. So when you do the shower curb, you want as few grout lines as possible. You see I got just this one grout line right here. And it's 2 pieces. 3 foot. Not exactly 3 foot, but and 3 foot. Because this is the shower curb, it's going to take a lot of water. So you don't want grout lines. If it's going to fail, it's going to fail from a grout line. So you want as few grout lines as possible.